Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect LiveChat to Shopify. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin. Now go to the left panel and click on Add under Apps, and just look for LiveChat. Okay. Click on Shopify App Store in here. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, use the search bar and type down again LiveChat. Just go ahead and click this LiveChat that got the orange icon. Click on it. Now just click on Install. Wait for it, and it will ask you to log in with your LiveChat account. Okay, so just click on Install. There you go. It's now installed. Click on three dots besides it. Now, as you can see here, it automatically redirects us to the sign up page or login page. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my Google account right here. Wait for it, and it will redirect us to our LiveChat dashboard. So just basically log in again, and I won't be able to do that because I don't have the upgraded version, but just basically follow the app's instruction right here once you're logged in and activate the chat widget. You may need to toggle the widget on and customize its appearance to match your brand. You can customize like your greetings, colors to match your brand style. Okay, and after that, you can now go ahead and test and promote the feature. You can go ahead and visit your Shopify store, okay, as a customer and open the chat to test the chat if it's working correctly. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.